Negative 3 times 1 is going to give us negative 3 plus 5. Therefore, x is equals to 2. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Now let's have a look at simultaneous equation. We are given an equation here in the terms of x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0, and also 2x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. So we are going to refer to this as an equation 1 and this one as in equation 2. You know, simultaneous equation is the one where you need to solve for x and y. So therefore, what can we do here? We can use equation number 1 to make x the subject of the formula. Therefore, it's going to be x is equals to, we take everything to that side, negative 3y plus 5. Therefore, this will be our equation 3. So therefore, whenever we see this, now we know that we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Why are we doing that? Because we used equation 1 to find equation 3, so we can't substitute it back into equation 1, so we need to substitute it back into equation number 2. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be 2x minus 6y plus 2 is equals to 0. So wherever there's x, we're going to put that. So it's 2 minus 3y plus 5 minus 6y plus 2. It's equals to 0. Therefore, we remove the bracket. 2 times negative 3y is going to be negative 6y. 2 times 5 is going to be plus 5 minus 6y plus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore, now minus 6y minus 6y will give us negative 12y, and therefore 2 plus 10 is going to give us plus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore, you take the 12 to that side, is going to give us negative 12. Divide everything by negative 12 because you are looking for y is equals to 1. Right, now you have got y is equals to 1. Now once you finish that, you need to substitute y into equation number 3 so that you can find x. X is equals to minus 3y plus 5. So what is y? Y is equals to 1. Therefore, we're going to say x is equals to negative 3. We substitute 1 there, plus 5. X is equals to negative 3 times 1 is going to give us negative 3 plus 5. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Therefore, when y is equals to 1, x will be equal to 2. And that's how you will deal with simultaneous equation. Guys, if you have a question, please let me know, or have got a comment, let me know on the comment section below. Please like this video, share it with your friends and your classmates, and give this channel a huge thumbs up to support the channel. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload.